What's up everyone? We're at India's fastest and craziest growing sneaker brand.
And let's see what these guys are up to. What's up?
Hey bro, what's up?
What's up, brother?
Welcome to
How are you?
Gully Labs Manufacturing.
Damn too excited. Let's go. So Animesh has gone for a 15-minute call or something. Till then, ये factory हमारी है.
हम freedom exploit करने वाले हैं.
Should we tour the factory first? Yeah, chalo, let's go. Damn.
This is the warehousing space.
Sick, bro.
This is where we sort of finish everything. He's more familiar with manufacturing terms through manufacturing stuff, but this is basically where we package everything and ship out. This is where we're building our storage space.
I think एक तुम ऐसे उठा लेते. But यार, dude, it's sick. So मतलब यहाँ पर पूरा finished product आता है and this packaging है.
ऊपर से नीचे चीजें कट होती है.
For today.
I was shooting something and I'm also capturing you guys coming here.
Wow.
Thank you. Please share content.
Please do it. Please do it.
Please share content.
यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड बना लिया. This is the R&D floor. So
This is also Gully Lab shoes. This is not launched yet.
this is bro.
They look like Doc Martin.
No, this is a
Camera. Unreleased.
This is a
Gully Lab.
football Nivea inspired. We are doing a collab with Nivea. Based in Jalandhar.
It's
So
a
this is
football
clean-
lifestyle shoe.
football cleat inspired lifestyle shoe.
That's so
There are
cool.
variants of this. That is what we are sort of launching. with
यार
that.
आप सोल कहाँ से ले रहे हो?
ये देखो ये वाला launch होगा. Sole कहाँ से ले?
What is this?
This is the same shoe on a different sole. But this is what we like more, so we will launch this most likely.
नहीं अब दोबारा बताओ सोल कहाँ से ले रहे हो?
Sole हम ले रहे हैं NK से जलंधर में.
Dude,
ज़्यादा मत क्यों रखा हुआ है आप?
So sick.
अच्छा.
What is this, bro? Like, ये क्या है?
This is my brother, not me.
Can I take this out of it?
Bro, we doing this shoe where I show you. क्या करना है बताओ क्या करना है?
He's made me awkward also.
Bro,
No, not
why do we awkward?
एक्साइटमेंट है सोल्स के लिए होगा.
Guys, we're giving them some Bhag merch.
Now you're gonna be fly. And you should start running now.
Amazing.
Sports shoes coming soon.
अभी कपड़े निकालो मैं.
Bro, in Gully Labs, whenever you come, you just lose your mind because these guys are doing.
What is this? I've never
What is
seen
it?
this on a shoe.
कृष्ण ने बोला कि औजला की जगह अल्लू अर्जुन से बात कर लो बिकॉज ऑफ हाउ
We were talking about the same thing because हमें लगा कि यार जो और करके सुनता है क्या वो ये शूज रैप करना चाहेगा?
Ojla is like, flexing his healthy and all that stuff.
जीते प्राड़ा.
And I'm telling like people in Punjab don't care about like, cool shit.
Intellectual stuff.
They don't care. They care. 80,000 का जूता है नहीं मेरे को 1 लाख.
Logos, yeah. The logo game is there, and somebody who cannot afford it, so they'll go for a
Yeah,
copy of it or something.
exactly.
But I think the South Indian market is crazy. They like actually believe in their stars.
Damn, what
Yeah,
love
Ranveer
is that?
Singh, too many brands, right?
Exactly, too many brands.
Too many brands.
अल्लू अर्जुन ही बचता है बस
अल्लू अर्जुन को नॉर्थ पे तो नहीं जानता ना.
जानता है अल्लू अर्जुन पुष्पा की वजह से अब तो सब जानते हैं
But
पुष्पा इज
the
लाइक
South Indian market is massive.
Pata nahi yaar. Like this is something needs to be detailed studied about it.
I feel-
Don't take a Bollywood star. I think you know why? Because I don't think
they
so.
will always be
Credibility.
bigger than the brand
Yeah,
they will always try to be bigger
bigger.
than the brand yeah.
No, Allu Arjun also I feel like bigger than
No, he is bigger than the brand but his persona at least is not doing all sorts of ads
और कौन से
undergarment condoms ये
No
वो whatever.
athlete would be athlete. So I don't make sense to represent.
Athlete अभी तो कोई है शुभमन गिल के अलावा I don't see Shreyas Iyer is
What
doing
about Ashwin? R. Ashwin?
he's retired now वो कौन है R. Ashwin Oscar
You know
winning
what the news will be like if you take a retired athlete. It'll be like oh retired हो गया था पहले से ऐसे
exactly वरना तो मैं युवराज सिंह को ले लेता ना retired athlete में युवराज सिंह has the strongest story
Yeah. You know what I really
I don't think he's built it from the ground.
what I really like about you guys story है.
Yeah, you said a story.
Yes, bro.
अभी तो लोग चाहिए जो story propagate कर पाए आगे ना that is the
Exactly.
हम अभी कल परसों सोच रहे थे कि और हमने सोचा कि शायद अब हम कैंपेन शूट्स ही बहुत कम करें, हम एक्चुअल लोगों और कम्युनिटी के साथ ही शूट्स करें.
Lifestyle.
And this is the first shoot.
This is the first one. But even for, you know, like with you guys have people that come towards something. Like how can
Gully Labs have a community.
like how can Gully Labs represent that? You know, sort of a feeling.
If you see like the shoot we did for this collection, we did not do any production.
Yeah, I saw that.
We just did like people wearing it, running, moving, doing something.
You know what we realize? I think more than anything, the culture needs to be shown around. Like अगर कोई हमारा कोशिश है, हम करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि रनिंग एक कल्चर बने, and there are different like maybe few influencers, maybe few athletes जो उस कल्चर को represent करें.
Correct.
Because only then it becomes cool, I think so. I mean, your product is already very cool and it goes with the storyline. But I think if you guys can get a community or a culture, you start a culture and then there are
Exactly.
people part of that culture.
And we want to work with adjacent spaces where people have built something. Like that is culture in true sense.
Yeah.
I believed in something. I started a movement. People joined in, and now I have a community.
Just like Bhav.
Yeah, yeah, bro.
Okay, why Gully Labs as a name? Why?
Why Gully Labs? Yeah, I think it was a cool name that we could
थोड़ा
not.
ऐसे डीपर मीनिंग दो ना ताकि लोग सोचे कि कुछ सही में सोच के
अच्छा नाम था, ऐसे नाम आया था और नाम रख दिया और हम उसे कभी बदल नहीं पाए क्योंकि और कोई इससे बेटर नाम कोई था ही नहीं.
I think that's happened with us also because when we came up with Bhag, so I think हमारे एक दोस्त बैठा हुआ था, we were having dinner at Sly Granny, तो ये बोलते हैं यार नाम चाहिए रन क्लब का. हम दो लगे बहुत दूर दूर की बातें सोचने and
Chat GPT कर रहे हैं ना.
what else we are doing, and then he's like Bhag DK Bose Bhag Bhosrik, and he's like this said that and he's like ये रखो नाम, and he's like
और वो मजाक कर रहा था.
and like huh, and then we thought no, actually something people can relate with, and I think Bhag इतना सही होगा, कहीं भी भाग सर्च करो अब हमारा नाम आ
बहुत ही
जाता
सही
है.
है.
हमारा ऐसे retrospective meaning है. Now that we look back,
Yeah,
deeper
please,
हमने
वो-
निकाले
वो लोगों को
interpretation.
बताने के लिए ऐसे.
हाँ, लोगों को बताने के
But जब start हुआ था bro, it was like gully as in streets, labs as in
Experiment.
What's happening in that
Like,
experimentation of labs?
no one can put up वो कि ये नहीं हो सकता basically. तो ऐसे गली लैब्स, और ऐसा था गली लैब्स एक यूएस में ब्रांड पूरा गली लैब्स, तो ऐसा लग रहा कि अच्छा इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड वाइब आ रही है. ऐसा ही लग रहा कि हमने कुछ ऐसे बना
छपरी
दिया
सा कर दिया
कि
है.
छपरी है, बहुत ही
ये
लोकलाइज्ड
नाम ऐसे समझ नहीं आ रहा. मतलब Gully Labs is a name that people can
और a
understand.
full name.
Yeah.
और ऐसे मतलब ऐसे हटके है ना यहाँ पे मतलब कई लोगों को अच्छा गली लैब्स, अंकल आंटी पूछते हैं ना बेटा आपके जूते का नाम गली लैब्स
क्या?
जैसे हिमाचल में लोगों को रिमोट जगहों पे लोगों को ऐसे गली, वहाँ पे एक बंदे ने खरीदा था, अभी मैं गया था हाइक पे, वहाँ पे लोग गली पहचाने लगे ऐसे. You know the term written on the back of a shoe
गली.
जो वो पढ़ सकते हैं.
हिंदी में है ना.
You know,
Hindi mein.
that's what happened because when I saw On Cloud shoes like 2-3 years ago, I was like, damn, what is that logo? What is that shoe?
Yeah.
And then I'm like, everyone's wearing it. Then I'm
Yeah.
like, oh, I also need a pair of it.
Yeah.
So similarly, like I think when I saw Hoka also, I was like, damn, Hoka looks cool. What is Hoka? Why is everyone wearing it now? So I think that really works, gully logo. But हम लोग अब अभी गाड़ी में आके बात कर रहे थे, we like, we've changed so much in like 8-9 months of Bhag. Like, what about you guys? Like,
Yeah, like okay, what were you guys doing like respectively before starting Gully, and like what did you notice as the transition from like you know what you were before and what you are now?
like, yeah, exactly.
पहले पूरा दिन ऐसे माल करके पड़े रहते थे. उसके बाद-
Exactly, यही था.
अगर नहीं होता Gully Labs तो शायद मैं वो बन जाता.
हाँ.
सही में माल मारने वाला.
मतलब कुछ पर्पस नहीं होता ना लाइफ में, क्या ही करते तुम. वर्किंग, स्लीपिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, ईटिंग, that's
क्यों
literally life.
कॉर्पोरेट कर लैडर ग्रो करनी है.
हाँ मतलब वो तो बहुत नेचुरल प्रोग्रेशन होता है ना. देयर इज नो पुश.
उसमें तो मेहनत करनी होती है ना.
What were you guys
मतलब
doing it before this?
बॉस की
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना. मतलब आई थिंक वो बहुत नेचुरली ऐसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं जर्नी में. यहाँ नहीं है ना कि रोज उठ के सोचो.
अब तो बिगड़ गए
यार मेरे हिसाब से तो यहाँ पर ऐसे रोज उठ के ज्यादा सोचना पड़ता
हाँ, हाँ,
कि
वही
अब
बोल
क्या
रहा हूँ.
करें.
वही,
Isn't
वही,
that
वही.
fun? Isn't that actually fun?
No, that is what we're saying. Like this is more fun.
या मैन.
Like we wake up and we are like shit, new day, more fun. We got to
Yeah,
get
bro.
to do new shit. So हम हमेशा मस्ती में रहते
Okay,
हैं.
no, I want to hear from you.
तुम लोग कितने साल के हो?
I'm 22.
22 and 21.
21, yeah.
Fuck, I'm 33. Before this, I was in a VC firm. Before that, I was running a startup. Before that, I was an investment banker.
Damn.
And okay, what like when you started Gully, what changed? Like क्या आया दिमाग में कि भाई हो गया मेरा ज़िंदगी में, अब मेरे को खुद कुछ करना है, चाहे बने ना बने, ये हमारे बारे में नहीं है, ये आपके बारे में.
So what's the question again?
What changed for you?
Yeah, like
What changed for me?
mindset क्या आया?
नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं था. It wasn't out of any desperation or scarcity. I wanted to really enjoy what I was doing every day and basically get paid for it. That was the goal.
Right.
And I think there is a deep sense of satisfaction जो आती है रोज़ करके. Obviously जो तुम मतलब जो हर कोई बुरा है सुबह उठ के सोचना है क्या करना है, whatever stress ये वो. But I think my goal is that whatever I was doing, it should feel like a fun game. I should be really enjoying myself, because if I can achieve that, then मतलब everything else is just small details. मतलब इस महीने sales कम है, ज़्यादा है, बढ़ाने का करना है. You're always solving for something. तो मस्ती आनी चाहिए. And at least like Gairas wasn't a company for a while when it started, right? It was just a thing.
कि हो रहा है.
It was a project. It was just that, right? It was, but then it became a company, and वो अपने आप ही evolution होता गया company का, because the market demanded, people demanded, and so on. But that feeling, at least me personally, is like it should be fun, and I think that is sometimes the only thing I remind myself is you can't be like too ऐसे like I tend to get very paranoid, you know, or crazy or cynical.
I have the greatest analogy about it.
Yeah.
I always tell myself when I wake up, I'm like, what would the hero of my life do? Like, imagine there's like a whole camera crew around me and they're shooting me.
If your life is a movie.
Yeah, if your life is a movie, how would
would you
the MVP, the main character, would play like? And then I think waking up early in the morning and then you're leading and doing something you actually want to do, that is the most heroic thing.
Not be an NPC.
Basically NPC. Guys who don't know what NPC stands for, non-playing character.
If you don't know what NPC is, you're an NPC.
You're an NPC most probably.
या ऑटो पायलट पे नहीं चला सकते, लाइफ का एजेंडा होना चाहिए, ये वो you know.
Right.
I'm sure Bhaag Club must also say that. सुबह उठो और दौड़ो, you know. भागो.
But no, one crazy thing, like you said, this whole concept of a hero. What do you think are your heroes of your life? Who are the heroes of both of your life? Like in general, could be anyone.
Who do you look up to?
I think I am like, I've always grown up admiring sportsmen. So like the most common, most relevant ones for me will be Cristiano Ronaldo and Virat Kohli from like different spaces. Again, because I think both grew up in spaces where they were not the most skilled people in their respective fields, but they achieved what they've achieved through hard work. Of course, like not unskilled, but I think hard work is a common theme between them. So I think that just gives you belief that if you work hard enough, if you're motivated to do something, you can do whatever you want.
Facts. What would you?
ऐसे कोई हीरो नहीं है, but I really like other entrepreneurs. मेरे को लगता है entrepreneurs have this unique capability.
Which one in specific?
I don't think ऐसे आज सच कोई specific है, मतलब जो भी Twitter पे ये लोग करते रहते हैं बकचोदी. But I genuinely like the entrepreneurial spirit and people who are like, you know, just entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship is very much like a sports only. आप practice करते रहते हो. आप 10 बारी शॉट मारोगे, 9 बारी नहीं जाएगा, फिर आप अगली 10 मारोगे, 2 जाएंगे, and your accuracy keeps improving. And entrepreneurship is I think it's a way of life. तो मेरे को काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, मेरे को बाकी entrepreneurs अच्छे लगते हैं. I really like the tenacity through which they create stuff.
Right.
I find that sort of other founders very inspiring.
People who are building stuff essentially.
Building stuff, who basically say that, you know what, we will do something and we'll create something that is basically take control of our agenda, our life, and enable something, and you know, move the world a bit further आगे. Not sure if all entrepreneurs do it, but you know, that is the.
Even him and I were talking the other day. So मैं ऐसे बता रहा था कि पहले ना मुझे Bollywood actors बड़े cool लगते थे. Then gratefully we've met so many of them, hung around with them, and ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I just thought ठीक है, it's good. But then we met sports athletes. And then we met entrepreneurs, and then we were talking on that group the other day. So there's a friend of ours, Anmol. We were talking to him, and he's like, real heroes are entrepreneurs and sports persons. For us also, I think so. In that
100%, because you know, okay, an actor hasn't talent, but I feel like more people are looking at them and getting inspired, which is, I feel like wrong. क्योंकि ठीक है, an actor has a lot of skill, talent है, skill है, बढ़िया है.
But imagine giving your life for something.
Yeah, like
I
पर मेरे को वाला एक्टर अच्छे लगते हैं जैसे नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी हो
Yeah,
गए
yeah.
Oh,
जिन्होंने
he's
एक्चुअली
insane. See, that's a person you can look up to because he's not like flaunting anything.
Right.
वो अपना काम कर रहा है खतरनाक तरीके का और वो शांति से बैठा है.
so
मुझे
game
नहीं लगता flaunt करने में problem है.
No, I don't think
your
so, it's
hero should
flaunting.
always inspire your mindset.
Yep,
I think that is what heroes should do. उसके
Yep.
बाद when you've achieved, I don't think Virat Kohli is the most humble person
Right.
or a Ronaldo or a,
Bro,
or a
imagine if
Jordan.
you
is
do
the-
all this and you don't flaunt. So I mean,
Yeah, bro.
You know
like,
what I
it
feel
is
like
okay
the
to
problem
flaunt
is?
if you've earned it, and if you've
That's the thing.
if you've
Earned it.
earned
I think-
everything through hard work.
I think
flaunt
I-
करो
but
जितना मर्जी.
even if you think someone hasn't earned it in their mind they may think
Yeah, of course.
they've earned it.
As long as they think they've earned it, as long as like they're constantly striving to improve, that is the mindset that people should take.
You know what I
inspiration.
feel like the major problem with Bollywood is? People are in the same family. How do you think you do justice to the Indian heritage name by your products? Like, tell me how do you connect the name of your brand and the products?
I think the hockey shoe, for example, right? That is like the most obvious example that comes to my head. When we decided to launch that, our inspiration was just sport, representing hockey, because hockey is a forgotten sport. It is such an important part of our legacy, and people just don't talk about it.
इसमें इंडिया भी
right?
अच्छा कर रही है ओलंपिक में
अभी ब्रोंज बैक टू बैक ब्रोंज मिला तो
दो-तीन
इतने
bronze.
मेडल्स हैं हिस्टोरिकली
Overlooked.
yeah, like it was a sport that we've dominated
Not cool enough.
historically, right? But people thought it was not cool enough. The stars were not as flashy. The stars did not have those sort of endorsements. Nothing against cricket. I've grown up playing cricket, love cricket. But I think it is always about representing parts from the history where we've stood out, where that is deeply ingrained in our legacy, and that we can help push as a brand.
but you
right?
didn't work with any cricket brand, like.
We haven't worked.
क्रिकेटर्स ने हमारे जूते खरीदे हैं पर हमने अभी किसी क्रिकेटर के साथ काम नहीं किया है आई थिंक क्रिकेट ऑलरेडी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ पुश इट इज ऑलरेडी एलिवेटेड सेलिब्रेटेड
It's already saturated.
Not saturated. I won't say
You can always do
saturated.
more.
Yeah, you can always do more. I think the stars are also like we have a great bunch of cricketers, which is why we always keep winning.
But I like how the conversation keeps revolving around sports.
Yeah.
कहीं ना
Yeah, but we keep discussing. If you read the first agenda that we laid out when we hired our first group of people, it was the first line was Gully Labs is a sports team. And the mindset we've been driving is that of a sports team. We have to strive
आप
to.
एक दूसरे सपोर्ट कर रहे हो टू विन द लीग टू विन द
It's
चैंपियनशिप
basically a team working towards the same goal.
आउटकम
If one person wins, everyone wins.
That's what.
And nobody is bigger than the entity.
Right.
कोई player मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड से बड़ा नहीं है, कोई player इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम से बड़ा नहीं
Because
है.
when you start something, you are going against teams, so you need teams also
Yeah.
to work.
हाँ तो ये फैमिली कम है स्पोर्ट्स टीम ज़्यादा है
Yes.
Yeah.
आप सब एफिनिटी है पर वो एफिनिटी है टू विन द
तो इस टीम में वर्क कल्चर कैसा है?
स्पोर्ट्स टीम जैसा है
क्या मतलब आप 12-12 घंटे काम कर रहे हो?
जितनी ऑप्टिमम अमाउंट ऑफ रिकवरी एंड ऑप्टिमम अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क दैट हेल्प्स अस विन द
And
चैंपियनशिप
optimum amount of training as well.
Training, yes.
Always upskilling yourself, always trying out different things, always pushing hard on
Like,
the
cause
boundaries.
you both have been working corporate, so you know how the culture is there. Like, has it changed when we met these guys upstairs? Like, is it different in that sense?
Yeah, I've always found it hard to define work culture objectively, to be very honest. Like, I was a consultant. काम ज़्यादा होता था, they would balance that out with travel, perks, good parties, ये वो चीज़ें, right? So, I don't know if that is some sort of a culture, right? What we offer here is like a completely different experience.
Grind mode.
No, it is not about grinding, it is about very like the thought that you have and the number of steps you need to get to an outcome is all under your control. Which is also, like I said, a privilege, right? अगर मैं आज मैं कुछ सोच रहा हूँ, if I have a video idea, if I have a product idea, you saw the number of samples on that floor, right? Those are all like just thoughts, right? And you have infinite liberty. But if you want to get to an outcome, you can't be like, मेरे पास इतना ही टाइम है, but मुझे जो ऑफिस का काम है वो भी करना है और मुझे अपने पैशन की चीज़ें भी करनी है.
Sure.
It is like a sports team, right? Like if I am a mediocre center forward and if I want to play for a good team, I can't be like I will come train with you, go back, sleep, and still want to be in the starting 11. If I want to replace someone in the starting 11, I have to put in those extra hours by myself. There is no like we're not institutionalizing people कि नहीं तुम अभी क्यों घर जा रहे हो. It is about if you have an idea, if you want that idea to go out, you have to like upskill yourself and you have to make that content, make that product meet our standards.
I feel like the mentality you have adopted of everyone being like a sports team also aids to that because people have their own little independent projects
Yeah.
they're doing to contribute to the company.
Yes.
So I feel like that helps a lot.
One of those projects is the shoe that you will
Also,
get.
when I saw these people, they are working passionately over there. ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई इनको पसंद है. तो ये
Interest
कर
है
रहे हैं.
काम करने में.
That's what I
Yeah,
feel
I
like.
guess because
I would hope so.
because it is. I don't think working at a sneaker company in India is like a everyday thing, right?
Right.
But regardless of any of that, I think people self-select, or at least our way of hiring or getting people is that you select yourself that I want to do great work. This is a place that allows me to do great work. We enable everyone to do great work. They collaborate with other people, and you should be proud of the work because you can see the output of your work today only, not tomorrow. So if do you ascribe to the mindset, you ascribe to where the company wants to get, and I think that is a good alignment. People will only do good work when they want to do it. No one can
Makes
force
sense.
anyone to do anything. You can force someone for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 months, and they'll leave or they'll be unhappy. They won't do good stuff. So for people to do good stuff, they have to be bought into. I want to do it because this is what I want to do.
Makes sense. Okay, so you recently moved into this new massive space. Congratulations, by the way. Before this, you guys were outsourcing your production.
No, we are in a smaller, like half the size of this floor.
The factory before this was like almost.
But your production has always been in-house.
Yeah.
Completely.
first 3-4 months.
First 100 shoes were not.
Yeah,
उसके
that
बाद
was
से
contract
150 shoes maybe were contract manufactured. उसके
बाद-
बाद we've always done it ourselves.
Ever since you've moved here, ever since you've taken those steps to increase your brand value, what challenges have you faced? Like, okay, for example, when you were outsourcing production for 100 shoes versus then you decided to take a step and put in your own manufacturing, which is a massive step because building a brand is one thing
Yeah.
and managing production is one thing. You've combined both and taken them all in-house,
Yeah,
which are two massive things you're doing.
I think everyone has advised us against doing it because people have
Yeah.
always believed in this
Outsourcing.
country that you can't build a brand and manufacture at the
Yeah.
same
Yeah.
time because it just changes your mindset. I think so far we've not faced that mindset problem.
मतलब टेस्ला को भी से एडवाइस दो ना जाके फिर हम एक ही बता रहे हैं। बोलो भाई इलॉन भाई जाके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर करवाओ जाके किसी से।
हम गए थे बहुत लोगों से पूछने when we because it happened because we were limited because we did not find the right sort of partners who could manufacture in smaller batches and give us that quality.
So
right?
you're like, fuck it, we'll just
Yeah,
do it.
we
now.
will
to do
take the
what
step.
we had to do,
Yeah.
no one could do it except ourselves. Therefore,
Yeah.
we did it. This was not ऐसे हम कोई manufacturers हैं हमारी कोई advantage है. We did it because for Gully Labs to live and survive and to be what it needs to be, this was the only way.
It's a rebellious mindset.
I feel like I went around your production and what I've noticed is I feel like you produce for your brand.
Yeah.
Like you're not functioning as a traditional factory who's producing
No.
working on like I need to do optimum efficiency, like मेरे को इतने बनाने हैं pieces ताकि मेरी factory चले. उस mindset से नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
नहीं
यहाँ
नहीं,
पे
वो
चल-
mindset भी है।
वो भी करना पड़ेगा नहीं
Factory बंद हो जाएगी।
हम अपने लिए ही बनाते हैं किसी और के लिए नहीं बनाते
That's what I'm saying. No, essentially this is to support your brand
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
not the other way around.
Yeah.
Support भी क्या? This is to run
Run the brand.
This
नहीं तो
is
what are
to
people
run
gonna
the-
buy?
But yeah, like the technical, mathematical, financial elements obviously come in. Like we have to make a certain number of pairs
Otherwise,
to
it's
make
an
it.
unprofitable piece
Business.
of rented place.
Right.
So we have to run it at capacity. We can't run it like a hobby project. This is a business.
Yeah, it's a business, obviously.
It's a business. But yes, our only objective is to sell more Gully Labs. The objective of the factory.
Makes sense. Like I feel like you're looking at the factory as a supporting unit for the brand.
Enabling unit.
Enabling.
Yeah, enabling. That's a good word. That's
But then now, because you guys are obviously selling the sneakers, you guys are getting into the culture, people are appreciating it. Both of you guys are pretty cool guys to talk to. So why don't you think about this whole concept of personal, founder-led branding, marketing? Why don't you guys think about it?
I am not very interested in it personally. I want to my goal is to post banger tweets at max. I want to be famous for banger tweets.
You want to be that entrepreneur who just comes on Twitter.
3 a.m.,
and just
3
like-
a.m.
I think my goal is to have so much
Controversy.
controversy and freedom and probably wealth in life that I can say whatever I want to say.
Yes.
I think that is the goal where I want to see. I don't want to create some sort of founder-led agency लगा दी, भाई content मिलना शुरू कर दिया, LinkedIn पे you're putting word slop on it.
But you,
These are top 10 things people
Yeah.
are getting wrong.
I feel like, I feel like you don't need to do that because your product is something separate from you.
Yeah.
You're selling that इंडियन कल्चर जो इधर की चीज़ें लोग नोटिस नहीं करते
तो
हैं.
हम कल्चर नहीं लगते तुम्हें?
That's not like you're not selling something that is directly related to you.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
You know,
Like,
you represent it because you're Indian, but you know, it's not like Animesh ka.
No, yeah, I think whatever we do is really
Reflection of
derived from our
themselves.
personal
Yeah, bro.
experiences. Like, I think that is why the brand started. We've had our own share of experiences. Like Arjun, like he said, is a Fauji kid, lived all across the country, so
Damn.
has had his own share of cultural exposure. I grew up in West Bengal, lived throughout the country. Dad was a footballer. I've grown up learning hip hop and stuff. So
I think it's
we've
all
had a
experiences.
share of exposure.
Who was football?
My dad is a.
Damn, that's so
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
But it's एक और बात बताओ, like I don't think Gully Labs is like a true some sort of extension of mine and Animation's personality. Gully Labs is a being
Yes.
that is going on its journey, and I guess Animation and I are its parents.
Started from
Yeah.
there.
Contributing to its
We are
growth.
contributing to its growth. वो बड़ा बन रहा है बच्चा.
बच्चे की परवरिश कर दी है.
At some point, it will be really big as well. It will be an adult, and maybe it has babies. Who knows? But we are its stewards. We are its guardians, and our role is the survival of Gully Labs as its number one priority, and for it to thrive as the number
I
one
don't think
priority.
you should just survive.
Why do you
Survival
keep
survival
saying
Survival is
that?
such a
No.
like negative word.
You've said it.
crushing it.
You said it.
एक छोटा बच्चा पैदा होता है ना,
तो
उसके पेरेंट्स उसको केयर से रखते हैं ताकि वो सर्वाइव करे फर्स्ट 5 years. It won't thrive in the first 5 years.
Yeah.
It grows up. It is gentle and it needs a lot of protection, right? And then it grows up. Then it's a rebellious teenager, and then it's doing its job and
What
whatnot.
stage do you think is this baby right now?
hitting adolescence.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
Achha.
Let's
It has made it
hitting
till there.
teenage. Yeah.
मैं 12 years maybe 10 11 years.
But about your personal lives, like though we didn't want to go too deep into personal lives, but like still it was very fascinating कि भाई आप लोग क्या करते हो, कहाँ से inspiration drive करते हो, मतलब the simple things like in your day-to-day life. Because see, a lot of people look up to you. Like in my sense, I also look up to you guys because you've done something cool. So, what's the one thing like? क्या day in a life है? Like
Yeah, like what's your like? What do you do on a daily basis?
I'll tell you, my life is very simple. I live with my wife. She is also an entrepreneur, and I wake up, spend time with her, come to work, go back home, spend
time
some
with
more
her.
time with her,
Sleep.
maybe get some time for gym. अगर नहीं मिला तो sleep and then do it again and again and again until you hit a वो, and then maybe you take a small break, vacation, come back and do it again. And ऐसे एक वो है triangle है, इसमें 3 चीज़ें ही आ सकती हैं. I'll tell you 2 ideas of triangle. One is relationships, one is health, and one is work.
It's hard to
इसमें से
prioritize.
तुम 2 ही चीज़ें कर सकते हो एक टाइम पे.
बाकी चले जाती हो.
Yes. इसका एक और वर्जन है इस ट्रायंगल का, by the way.
City
It is walkable city, partner or girlfriend and money. इसमें से तुम
Damn.
2 चीज़ चूज कर सकते हो.
Okay, what do you do in a day?
I wake up, do a small stretching session. Wake up by 8:30, 9ish. Not the most ideal person to look up to.
No, I feel like
will-
whatever works for you.
Yeah,
is
Road. I can't wake up at like 6:30, 7ish. No, I just can't do it. So wake up by 8:30, 9 max. Do a small stretching session. Come to work. Plan a game after. So I played badminton yesterday. I have another badminton game today. So 3 days for badminton, 2-3 days for football, or maybe like get in one rest day, and then we can get in a game of cricket. And then once in like 5 or 6 weeks, I try to take a small hiking trip. I just got back from one, went to Himachal, Shoja.
Damn, Shoja's cool.
Shoja's cool, pretty
I'm
cool.
from Himachal though.
I know.
From Manali.
Yeah.
Do you have a girlfriend?
ये सब रिकॉर्ड करने का.
भाई
Bro,
इतना personally
most complicated question, bro. इसको ऑफ कैमरा बताऊंगा.
Yeah.
We should give a shout out if there are eligible girls out there.
Okay.
Guys, if you are a single woman and you're looking for a cool entrepreneur founder, hit up Animesh Mishra on Instagram.
Animesh_0407.
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Animesh.
Okay, one.
अभी यहाँ पे pop-up tag डाल देंगे हम.
So the question is like for us also, एक
Yeah.
साल में हम same ही लोग हैं. But now since we started Bhag, people have known us and it's out there in the public. The way people talk to us, that would be girls or boys. Like I feel everybody wants to be friends with us. Is it the same you think like as a founder?
For me, I don't think ऐसे कोई public मतलब I don't want any of that and I don't think अगर किसने किया होगा तो मैंने notice किया है देखा है मतलब I don't want to talk to.
You don't want clout?
I think my work is my clout in itself. I'm very happy with my work being out there.
Don't you feel people glaze you once you tell them, oh, I'm Animesh, I'm very
I
relaxed.
probably haven't met a new person outside work forever.
That's
like,
sick.
But I'm meeting you, but this is due to work, right?
Right.
अभी meeting मतलब or I might have been in a run club, but मैं नहीं हूँ वहाँ पे. तो मैं काम करता हूँ I meet people at work. I think Animesh has a better.
ये तभी उसने question पहले मना कर दिया था.
हाँ, सही बात है सही बात है. Cut कर देना ये. Start from Animesh.
Yeah, but go ahead.
I do meet a lot of new people on a daily basis. I don't know, I don't know if their behavior towards me is because of Gully Labs. Also, I try to contain that to the extent possible. Like that is not a part of my introduction usually. Oh, I'm Animesh from Gully Labs. I will just say I'm Animesh unless people start talking about what you do. I don't mention it myself. Yeah, again because like I don't want Gully Labs to dictate the conversation because then people have all sorts of discussions about funding.
They don't stop talking.
Work, yeah, it is just
अपने
become the
suggestion
work.
देने लग जाएंगे.
ये जूते का तो डिजाइन तुमने ऐसे क्यों नहीं कर दिया? ये तो ऐसे बना जो
That's the thing we heard. So we met Anshul Jubilee in Bali and he was telling us the same thing. He's like, I'm flying from India to wherever he was flying. ठीक है? He's a UFC fighter. So he's like, he met this uncle on the flight and uncle is like, ये जो right punch है ना ये ऐसे फेंकना है. And he's like, I'm trying to be sweet to him. कि उन्होंने कभी की होगी boxing अपनी life में, but he's telling you said वो जो punch था ऐसे मारना है. And he's like, that's how I feel people do.
Yeah.
So that's what I try to not talk about it unless I'm with my friends, unless I'm with like people who already know about it.
Right.
So पता नहीं कितना change हुआ है. मतलब अगर हुआ होगा बताने के बाद I'm sure मतलब कुछ तो yeah, but the moment you mention and when people know about it, they obviously like their demeanor changes a bit. They want to talk more, they want to know more, they want to like either give suggestions or take. तो ये सब चीज़ें तो होती हैं.
Okay, I have a question. What gap in the sneaker market in India do you think you guys are filling, and how would you say do you think you've succeeded at that, or no, you're still like working towards it?
Yeah,
Like what was missing and you brought?
I think success is just a lifelong journey. ऐसे कोई वो नहीं है कि आज हम successful हो गए. Journey, being on a journey itself is, I think, a good enough thing. I think the gap, at least from my side, Animesh will have his perspectives as well. मेरी तरफ से यही था that high quality sneakers that had very good India-centric designs were just absent, and no one was creating a brand which felt like, okay, I want to associate myself with this. I think personally I felt that missing, so it started.
What do you think is the gap in the market?
I think I was talking about this yesterday as well. I think just the type of representation that has happened like in India when you talk about these like different cool spaces, adjacent spaces. If I have to take your example, right? Marathon, running a 5K, 10K in India versus running a 10K in New York is very different. For a bunch of reasons, right? So a brand based out of New York can't do justice to a run club in India. Because of the different terrain, because of pollution, because of how people are on the road, like you have to be extremely mindful, right? So I think that is valid for all sorts of spaces. When you talk of hip hop, when you talk of sports, when you talk of these adjacent spaces, how things happen in India versus how things happen outside, or for like especially the West, and how brands have talked about it is like extremely different. So I think our goal and what we've done so far is to take those elements and have a very Indian context to it. We're still talking about the cool culture, we're still talking about sports, but hockey, us going to Hisar and doing a hockey shoot versus Adidas doing that with Arsenal in London,
Damn.
I think the context is like extremely different.
That is a deep thing.
Yeah. So I think that is what we've done, and that is what we really strongly aspire to do as well.
Is the representation.
Represent all these spaces with an extreme Indian context. I don't want people to think of an Indian rapper the same way they think of Kendrick, because the context, the way they've grown up, the struggles they've had is extremely different.
I have a guy for you.
Okay.
Hanuman Kind.
जानते हो तुम उसे?
Personally,
तो he said, bro, मैं 2 मिनट के लिए confused था
Personally?
KB का कैसे know
I also have a lot of guys for Europe. जिसको मैं personally नहीं जानता.
no, you tell collective to figure it out.
Yeah, you got agencies to
Correct.
figure it out for you.
But Hanuman Kind is.
Yeah, actually the
He's
video he
like,
made.
your
killing it.
Run
synergy
it up,
would be
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah,
Yeah.
crazy.
The
Yeah.
new video of his like.
मेरे को थोड़ा रॉयल्टी कट दे देना अगर ये होता है तो
हाँ बिल्कुल ले लेना भाई, तुमको जूते दे देंगे, तुमको उस वीडियो में
नहीं मैं जूते खरीदूंगा मेरे को रॉयल्टी दे
A
देना
0.5% देंगे ना
फीचर
उनको।
फीचर कर देंगे तुम उस वीडियो में
Shark
मॉडल
Tank vibes.
But then this
Namita.
one question. Actually, why aren't you guys on Shark Tank or something? क्या है? What do you think?
बुलाया ही नहीं
Not the right time.
किसी ने बुलाया ही नहीं।
क्या बात है, हमें रीच आउट कर लिया उन्होंने, हमारे पास तो बिजनेस मॉडल भी नहीं है।
तुम हाँ बोल के हमें भेज दो।
हमने ना बैठ के एक वाइट बोर्ड पे एक दिन भाग के गोल्स लिखे फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years. So that would be like कि anybody thinks about running in India, they think about Bhag. Anybody wants to get into running, they think about Bhag. मतलब something questions like this. ये थोड़ी सी tough भी होती है theoretically to do it, but like that was our mindset. Like what's your mindset for next 5 years?
like
10
what are
years?
your goals
क्या
where
है
do you
मतलब?
see Gully Labs go
Yeah.
I think it's worn by an extremely high amount of people that you sort of everyone sees one Gully Labs a day कहीं पे. That is a goal. I think.
Have you seen anyone like randomly on a flight and किसी ने पहन लिया?
मैंने
बहुत-
एक दो बार देखा है ब्लू
Spot
टोकाई
तो
गुड़गांव में, हाँ स्पॉट एक दो बार किया है, बट
बड़ा-
नॉट
बड़ा बहुत खुशी होती है।
as I would have liked. हाँ
बहुत
खुशी
खुशी
हुई है बिल्कुल, मैं जाके मतलब दोनों बार बात करी है मैंने जाके.
Yeah.
My friends have seen it around, they keep sharing
Very
photos.
friends.
I
I've
asked
seen
them,
it someone wear it as well.
I think घर से ऑफिस से घर पे जा रहा हूँ तो
possible
Yeah.
possibilities less. But I've seen it once in a co-working space.
what's your target audience
folks like you, bro.
Yeah, folks like you.
Cool people doing,
Folks like
building
me.
good communities.
And I think the sneaker is priced so well. Like,
Yeah.
imagine if I have to get a Adidas sample, let's say.
Yeah.
Now this is our guy. Your shoes, it's so perfect. Like, right at the thing, it's not heavily priced also, but it looks premium. It is premium, but it's at a decently, I want to spend some money.
what do you feel about like a comment for example
I think they've done a great job.
Yeah,
I think
good execution. Smart founders, I would
Yeah.
say.
And they're catering to a section of people who want to have daily beaters, and I think the
Yeah.
shoes are pretty good. They've done a great job at executing. They're pretty big as well now. So
Yeah, when I look at your shoe, I can't daily wear it. I'll wear Gandhar jacket, it's too good. It's
हम
like
तो
a piece
बोलते
of
हैं
art.
हम तो बोलते हैं daily
रोज
beaters
पहनो
बनाओ.
भाई.
Yeah.
We recognize, again, I don't think I want to say that the shoes are not expensive. We've like grown up in middle class households. We recognize that the product is slightly expensive. So what we
yeah
strive,
according to the Indian market
yeah, of course, and I don't think we wanted to make a cheap shoe either. But where we are extremely indexed on is to give good quality. Like if you're spending 7.5K on a shoe, it should last the test of time. It should be extremely comfortable, extremely top quality, and the design should be like unique. Like it should not feel like ऐसे अरे तुमने कहीं और, अरे ये जूता तो उसकी तरह दिखता है, ये तो हमने वहाँ देखा है.
हम सस्ता ही बना देते, but I feel like then you will skimp out on certain aspects of quality, of fit or wear.
Material
So
में,
we
yeah.
were really driven by making a shoe that we would be proud and enjoy wearing,
Yeah.
which is our constant goal to get there. And then the pricing is a byproduct of that. A lot of times you have to, just run the business math into it and see what pricing you get to. So I think we were very driven by having a good product.
did you guys
And value, yeah.
did you guys ever have like there's a moment कि ठीक है ये जो आपने बताया गली लैब्स एक प्रोजेक्ट था कंपनी है वो कब हुआ और
I think
कैसे हुआ?
1 साल पहले हो गया था जब अनिमेश और मैं जब हम वायरल हुए थे.
कैसे?
There's this
Creator called Kush.
creator Kush. Yeah, he's a friend of ours as well. He put out a reel. जिस रील के ऐसे 5 shoes you should wear instead of wearing Jordans. This was 2023. और इसमें लास्ट शो हमारा था. People had to see
Like
the whole
watch it
reel
then,
till the
yeah,
end. And the last one was he plugged us. Obviously because we sent him no monetary transaction there. He literally did it because he felt like
It
it.
felt, it's good.
We gave it to him though, the shoe, but वो बहुत मेहनत तक नहीं किया था उसने. But that reel blew up. It went to like 7 million views on Instagram. And that just made us like crazy traction. And then someone took it, not that reel, just took the product and put it on Twitter. And somehow 2 sort of very viral threads came up. One side loving it, one side hating on it. Like extremely bad. And that went extremely viral. So I think at that moment we knew that okay,
कुछ तो सॉलिड
We are growing into
yeah,
something.
Like
all in.
hate is the one thing because मैं कंटेंट पहले बनाता था before starting भाग,
Yeah.
right? छोटा मोटा reels and all. So I used to get hate. So I was used to it. So
Yeah.
since we both started, one day what happened is we sitting at his room and he's like, "भाई लोग क्या क्या लिख रहे हैं?" And इसकी मम्मा भी थी. So auntie was more like, "Why we are getting so much hate?"
Yeah.
And then I think it was his brother who's like, "ये तो होगा ही. This is a part and parcel of it." And later we realized we get hate, we get viral, we get more famous in that sense.
I love people who hate me.
It is.
There's a guy who hated Krishbir so much.
And I was always so nice to him. Now he's started following me, and you know, like,
Yeah.
Yeah, so the guy who started the hate thread on Twitter,
Yeah.
like we actually sent him shoes this time. And I'm like, bro, like you should check them out and you should give a sort of your take on it. You know?
yeah.
Was
if
he
your product is
was he
solid,
still an
कुछ नहीं
ass?
बोल पाएगा.
Yeah, fair.
No, he's like a nice guy, but you know,
Yeah. He just wants to hate. I think that is.
he
He
hated
had
that
his
point.
perspective. He had his perspective.
ऐसा पागल नहीं था. He wasn't trolling,
Yeah.
but he had a very scathing review of whatever we were doing.
Yeah.
But that's fine. Right? That's internet. I think we are in the internet generation. So इतना कोई problem है नहीं.
I
Keyboard
see-
warriors बहुत होते हैं.
I see every comment, whether it be my reel, whether it be, and I really fascinate sometimes because how can people think like that even?
जो आप पता है कोई रील होती है ना वायरल होती है वो रील खत्म करने से पहले कमेंट खोल देते हैं.
Yeah, like what's happening in there, like what other people think, and I think ये सब चीज़ें, yeah, I get to learn so much about it. Like एक perspective लेते हैं in general, like. We see all these comments and then people were hating on some things we made and like what we do. तो मैं और कृष्बीर एक दूसरे से बैठ के बात करें कि bro, what should be the Bhag vision? So now we kind of like getting into clothing. So from our end, we love creating. We want to do something which goes into something, right? So from you guys, like Ender Brothers or something, you can give us some insight. Like if we start a athleisure kind of like a line, or we want to get like core niche of running, like create a product.
Yeah.
What do you think? Like uniqueness of the product really stood out for you, or what stood out for you?
From,
Or maybe
from
making
wearing
it,
these,
No,
or just
No,
generally?
from Gully Labs perspective.
Gully Labs perspective.
What stood out for us?
What stood out for you guys? Because see, a lot of people say कि uniqueness चीज़ों की sell more, or maybe it's too simple and everybody can relate with it, but maybe you're giving it on a different price range. Maybe your quality, maybe XYZ stuff. What do you think will really help us?
Simply he's asking like what do you suggest we should do if you're trying to build an athleisure brand, let's say.
Look at product as a product in itself and don't think of it as merch या afterthought या ये कर देते हैं. Think of it as a legit business first way कि हम product निकाल रहे हैं, हम clothing निकाल रहे हैं, उसे seriously लेना and run it like a proper apparel thing and not like हम बाहर कब चलाते हैं पर हमने ये merch निकालते हैं.
वो
And
भी
invest in
100%
quality. I think
Yeah.
quality will sell. With if you have a good enough community, you're already starting to build a community, right? That community will premiumize itself. You have like that sort of niche. If you always think of product as like something you would wear and use on a daily basis, if like despite having all the options in the world. I wear Gully Labs because I really like how the shoe actually came out. It is not because I own because it is our brand. It is because I really like how the shoe actually feels on foot. So for you, if you want to do a good product beyond all the storytelling, marketing as well, it should be very, very product first.
Last thing, because your product is so unique, right? It really stands out from the normal shoe. Do you think uniqueness sells?
I think I would say design leads to uniqueness. I think we were always design led, design quality led. So I think we really focused on making unique designs. Again, blending multiple. That is like a whole different conversation on how we think about design. But I think design leads to uniqueness. That is something also people appreciate and.
But you should always target with something more than uniqueness, because uniqueness might be like a butterfly, comes and goes. Freshness can be ephemeral. अभी fresh है, कल को fresh ना लगे. But you have to always endeavor to create something deeper with your customers, that they're coming back not because you are a new hot girl in town.
Because मैं आपके comments देख रहा था, सब लोग, so people had to take कि unique है तो इसलिए बिक रहा है. So मुझे वही था कि I wanted to ask your take. So yours like uniqueness is a little part of it.
I think it's
early
a
stages में होता
spice.
है.
Early
Yeah.
stage में सही है.
कुछ टाइम के बाद यूनिक भी नहीं लगेगा.
लगेगा.
When we start doing repetitions on more colorways of the same shoe, people will not find it unique, for example, right? But if the product quality, if the story, if what the design is derived from still resonates with people, they will like there are multiple things to then look at.
And also how the brand evolves, right?
Yeah.
We grow older, we try to do interesting, we bring in more people in a more different way, make them feel more a part of what we're doing.
Yeah.
Guys, I think it's been an absolute fun talking to both of you.
Thanks so much.
It was not even a podcast, but it turned into
felt like a
podcast. So We are going to check something. What the
Pasting the
hell?
sole on this.
Damn.
So it will start the paint from here. Like this thing will have a runner's paint. Yeah.
That shit's so cool. Okay, guys, the shoe is
Shoe's
ready.
ready.
It's right here. Damn, look at this. Got that. Gully Bar.
You guys have to say thank you to Animesh. Thank you to the whole team right up here. You guys
Hope
are
you
doing
like it.
something great.
Yes.
And I think this will be something close to our heart always. इसे कभी खो नहीं सकते और इसे गंदा नहीं करेंगे अब.
I think this shoe has Riz.
This shoe has Riz. If you wear this, you are going back with 10 girls. That's it, guys. Thank you, Animesh, for having
Thank you for
us.
coming over, boys.
It was an
See you,
amazing
Abba.
time at the
See you for a
Cool
nice
factory.
run.
Amazing day out.
Yes.
And we hope to work together in future.
100%.
Cheers.
Yes, let's go.
Clocking out. Bye.
Catch you guys later.